Still in the shed. They're not the same sleevers. That's the second lot. The original lot are around there, so it's later in the day. And that could make absolutely no sense to some people if you haven't seen some of the other songs. This next band that sort of stuck, popped into my head when I was thinking about the music that's kind of influenced me or caught my attention as I was growing up. There was a band, late 80s, early 90s, called the Baby Animals, Australian band. And I guess one of the reasons that I liked them was female singer, because there was a lot of poppy stuff from female singers, which I wasn't into. I was more into rock. And this band rocked. She had, and Susie DeMarchi has a real rock sound to her voice, a real bit of a gravelly sound. She can really get that. There's a lot of power in her voice, I think, and it really suits the music. And I think one of the first songs of theirs that I heard was Early Warning, which was probably one of their earliest ones that were released. Heavy guitar drive, really good intro and that sort of stuff. So let's get into that one, shall we? And that's a nice way to start a video clip. That good drum beat at the start. And I like that it sort of calms out just here. Lets the voice really go for it. And then it's a catchy hook. It's that nice guitar little lick there. It's back into the rock. That's it. Yeah. You can't help move into this song, even if you can't dance. Like this little pre-bit just before they get to the solo. That syncopated sound in those notes, syncopation there. I kind of like solos that do that. Oh, there's a bit with the drums coming up here, I just remembered it. get ready for it. And outro solos, that was probably one of the things that was loved with some bands. Here we go, double kick. I love that double kick as the song's going out. That double bass drum. Yeah, I think there's going to be a few of their songs that were pretty popular in the early 90s. And it was because they had some really catchy songs. And I've got 2 of their albums, but they were only on cassette. Thanks for joining me on this one. Hopefully I'm going to introduce you to some music you may not have heard. If you're around my age, which I'm not going to give you, you probably figure it out. You probably know some of these songs, these bands, especially if you're from Australia. I'll go and check on this now and might catch you later.